plus r into I plus 1 by c integral I dt equal to 0. Then Ra plus 1 by c integral I dt equal to v. Now I am paying derivative on both sides with respect to t. Then di by dt into r plus I by c equal to 0. Now we can write this equation as di by dt plus 1 by rc into I equal to 0. This one is a equation 1. It is also a first order homogeneous equation. Here the first order homogeneous equation is dx by dt plus px equal to 0. For this type of first order homogeneous equation, where the solution is x equal to c e power of minus pt. Here x is nothing but I and p is nothing but 1 by rc. By substituting the above equation, I equal to c e power of minus 1 by rc into t. Here c is nothing but arbitrary constant. For finding the arbitrary constant, we have to use the initial condition, that is t equal to 0 condition. But at t equal to 0 minus condition, the capacitor acts as a short circuit. At that condition, the circuit should be like this, because the capacitor is acting as a short circuit. And for this equation, I equal to V by R. At t equal to 0 condition, I is equal to V by R. Substitute these equations in equation 2. This is taken as equation 3. That means V by R c e power of 0. Then c equal to V by R. This is taken as equation 4. Substitute equation 4 in equation 2. Then I equal to V by R e power of minus 1 by RC into t. Finally, we get that current I equal to V by R e power of minus 1 by RC into t. This is the current equation for a DC response of RC circuit. Now we have to find the voltage across the resistor. We know that voltage across the resistor formula is VR equal to I into R. Here I is nothing but V by R e power of minus 1 by RC into T into R. Here R are cancel. Then we will get V e power of minus 1 by RC into T. This is the formula for voltage across resistor. Now we have to find the voltage across the capacitor. We have to find the voltage across the capacitor. Voltage across the capacitor is represented with Vc. The formula is 1 by C integral I dt. Here 1 by C integral I is nothing but V by R e power of minus 1 by RC into T into dt. By applying integration to this term, first of all, I am taking V by R outside. Integration of e power of minus 1 by RC into T dt. Now, V by RC. Integration is e power of minus 1 by RC into T by minus 1 by RC. Plus some constant C. Now, R by C is cancelled. Then we will get minus V e power of minus 1 by RC into T plus C. Here the formula of Vc. For finding this constant value, I am taking the initial conditions, that is t equal to 0. At t equal to 0, the voltage across the capacitor is 0. By substitute this in the above equation, V of C equal to 0 minus V e power of 0 plus C. Then C equal to V. Substitute equation 6 in equation 5. Then Vc equal to minus V e power of minus 1 by RC into T plus V. by taking V as common, 1 minus e power of minus 1 by RC into T. This is the formula for voltage across capacitor. Here T is nothing but into. Now we have to find the power across the resistor. We know that the formula, the PR is nothing but power across resistor. The formula for power is V into I. Here I is nothing but V by R e power of minus 1 by RC into T. And V is nothing but voltage across the resistor, that is V e power of minus 1 by RC into T. Here V square by R e power of minus 2 by RC into T. The formula for power across resistor is V square by R e power of minus 2 by RC into T. Now we have to find the power across the capacitor. We know that PC is nothing but power across the capacitor. Formula is V into I. Here voltage formula is V into 1 minus e power of minus R by C into T. And current formula is V by R e power of minus 1 by RC into T. Then V square by R e power of minus 1 by RC into T minus e power of minus 2 by RC into T. The formula for power across capacitor is V square by R e power of minus 1 by RC into T minus e power of 2 by RC into T. This is the formula for power across capacitor. In this video, we have covered the derivations of DC response of RL circuit and RC circuit. In the next video, I will cover the DC response of RLC circuit.